If you're ready to start making money with ChatGPT and the best AI tools for digital marketing, you're in the right place. Michael here, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how you can get started making money with AI. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to give you not only a proof showing exactly what I'm doing, but you're going to get access to the digital playbook, which has a list of 130 plus AI tools you can get paid to promote. It has done for you short form content. As you can see right here, these are done for you shorts that you can go ahead and post directly onto your different social media accounts, YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels. I have done for you emails right here, and just a library of just some other really cool stuff that we can actually use ChatGPT to generate, and we can actually drive traffic to these things that we can get paid to promote with these AI generated posts. All of this stuff I'm showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert. You don't have to have a fancy computer, and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use this checklist that I'm going to be giving you free today that's going to help you get started step by step with everything you need to start earning money. Now, if you want all this stuff, all you have to do is drop a comment, let me know you're taking action, and let's go ahead and dive into the video. So as I said right here, you can see this is the digital playbook, and just go to digitalplaybook. Put in your information, and you will get directed to this site right here. It's on a site called WAP. This is where our community is, and as you can see right here, 123 people are in here. You get access to the digital playbook, direct access to me, questions, we share our wins. But this is not going to be free for long. Once we get to 200 members, I am going to get a paywall on it, because the people in here I want to be able to actually work with, focus on, and I want to make sure that they're taking action. So go ahead and join till it gets to 200 members. I don't know, 20 bucks a month. I think that'll be good. But yeah, it's free right now. So once you get the digital playbook, you'll get taken to a screen like this, and just go through the checklist, which is this first page. First page is we need to sign up for a tool called Go High Level. This is what I use for all my automations, my funnels, and the back end part of my business. No matter what, you're gonna need someplace or some type of CRM to keep all of your leads. I use this one because I've used it for so long for my cleaning business, and I really like it. So go ahead and sign up for the 14-day free trial, put in your information, and you'll get taken to a screen that looks like this. This is gonna be your account. Obviously, you're not gonna have any numbers in it, but the three main areas that I wanna talk about in this video are gonna be marketing, automations, and sites. Marketing, that's where the social planner is gonna be. We can schedule out our content. Automations, that's where the email sequences are. And then sites, that is your funnel website, both interchangeable. So going back to the digital playbook, we wanna go to the next one, and I call this the checklist because you're able to hit done, not done, check things off, which makes it super easy to go through. So the second thing is we want to go download the snapshot. Now what a snapshot is it is literally importing everything that I use in my business into your account. So all you would do, hit import. It's going to make you create an account, just put in your name. It doesn't have to be anything special, and you will get taken to, like I said, back to this screen, and everything is going to be imported. So you'll have all these sites imported, you'll have all the automations right here imported, and you will have everything that you need as far as custom values. Everything will be imported once you import my snapshot. Domain purchase. I'm not going to go over that, but if you don't have a domain, Go High Level actually allows you to purchase a domain through them. It's like $10 for the year, and it just makes it so much more simpler than having to go to Namecheap, GoDaddy, and learn how to connect when everything is integrated inside of the system. Another reason why I love Go High Level. So setting up different accounts. Instagram and Facebook are going to be the other two accounts that you need to create so we can start scheduling out content to these accounts. TikTok, I wouldn't get a TikTok. They really don't like the type of AI content that we generate. I got no traffic on there. So once we check through all these, you can either set up your avatar, which is what I do, which is just create videos like this or images like this of myself with a tool called Replicate. Or what I'd recommend, if most of you people are new, is just using the done for you content right down here. So this is 319, but I'm just going to go right here to videos, and I have over 300 done for you short form content that you can use. What we would do, which I'm going to show here in a second, is just piece different ones of these together, like 5 or 6, and then create some type of prompt with ChatGPT, enticing people to go to your funnel. So we got 319 here. Let's go ahead and look at the other one. All these are different type of videos, and you can all use these completely free. 400 videos. I mean, there's just so many, bunch of resources. So what you would do is, let me just go through the checklist, make sure I have everything right, is create these. So you would download these. Let's go back to the list. What you would do is just go through, download. I'm not going to download them. You would download them, and then you would go to CapCut, and you would edit these videos together. Not edit, but just put them together. CapCut is loading. So this is what it would look like. I already made one in another video. But so you would download, and then you would put them in here. And as you can see right here, I have obviously some captions. And if we go back to the digital playbook, I have prompts that you can use. So what you can do is you can take these prompts and go into ChatGPT and type something like, I don't know, using this, you would type like something like, using this prompt, give me 3 different other variations that I can use, and then it'll pop out. Or you could literally just copy what I use and just replace the different domains. That's what I would suggest. But this is what the final product would look like once you have the text, and then we have the done for you videos, and then 11 labs. That's what I use to get the AI voice. You can get access to 11 labs and some free credits by just going through this link. But some of the videos I create myself with my voice, and then a lot of the times I'll use an AI voice. And then also you can see that there's another line, and this is just some type of creepy background music. So I'm about to play it. Not sure if you're going to be able to hear it, but you'll get the idea.
3 websites they don't want you to know about. 1. ShineFibots.com, your blueprint to creating online clones that make money for you. 2. DigitalPlaybook.com.
So you can see it's pretty good for AI generated content, but the whole point of creating these videos is to be able to mass produce them and just get a bunch of views / attention, because attention is the new currency. And if it takes less time to create these AI generated videos, then we're going to do it. Now, I'm not going to talk about it in this video about long form, like the video you're watching right here. That's what needs to be user generated. You don't want to create AI generated content for the long form, but that is for another video. So we have this, and you would, as you can see, the whole process is only taking 8 to 9 minutes. Then all you would do is just delete this, upload a couple more, make another video. You want to get as many as you can get created. And then we're going to go to, that's the import. Then we're going to go to marketing. This is amazing because this allows you to schedule out content for however long you want. As you can see right here, this is my calendar for December, and I already have December laid out. These are all my social media accounts. You want to connect socials and just connect the ones that you want to use. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. LinkedIn is another untapped one that I haven't got into. But if you already have an audience on LinkedIn, definitely start posting on LinkedIn. But you would connect your social media accounts and then go to new posts, create a post, and then select all your different social medias accounts. Then you would type in some type of engagement and then hit that little video thing right there. You're not going to have any of this in your account, but you would go to upload, and then wherever you download the videos or whichever folder on your computer, just click that folder, upload it in here. You're going to click whatever video it is, and then it is going to be scheduled. And then voila, you would scroll down, post it, and then you have a video. So going through the checklist is going to be the key, because even though I went through this pretty quickly, you should have an idea of once you get the software, you just need to upload videos and then start generating traffic. And how we start making money is whatever tool or service that you're going to promote. I suggest picking one of the top 7 ones here. That is what's going to push them to your funnel. So I just want to go over the funnel real quick in this video. So that's under sites. So one of the funnels that I'll give you guys is just go with this old funnel right here. And this is super basic funnel. What it does is it just tells someone, let's go to this one. This is for the group, free checklist. Okay. So you get access to this, grab the digital playbook, free checklist, and $25,000 giveaway. Actually, you could use this one directly because I allow you guys to use my checklist as a lead magnet. When they would enter in their information right there, they're going to get sent into one of the email automations that you have set up. And that's when you can start marketing and getting people into your funnel. So I know this was quick, but go through the checklist and you'll be able to start getting help with the systems. And to get access to me, just join the Make Money Online group. You have direct access to me through the DMs, chat. We have 123 people in here that are all the same tribe as you, and we would love to have you join. And that is going to be it for this one, AI Pros. I will see you in the next one.